If you hear the letter Y, shout yes! Remember, sometimes you can hear the Y sound at the beginning and sometimes it is at the end of words. Ready to start? Let's begin! This is a yo-yo.
Yes!
Do you hear the Y sound in yellow?
Yes!
How about in gray?
Yes!
Yes, it ends with a Y sound. Gray. Does ball have a letter Y? I don't hear the Y sound in ball. How about here? Toy.
Yes!
I can hear it at the end. Toy. How about an egg? There is no letter Y in egg. How about yolk?
Yes!
I can hear it at the beginning. Yolk. This is a yam.
Yes!
It starts with the Y sound. Yam. How about in jam? There is no letter Y in jam. How about yogurt?
Yes!
It starts with a Y sound. Yogurt. You did well. Keep on listening for the Y sound. See ya!